Are you a business owner who's tired of trying to figure out how to do it all by yourself? Your marketing, your sales, your IT, your website, every single thing all by yourself? If you are and you'd like to stop, you'd like to find Trinidad and Tobago professionals at a very reasonable cost and a reasonable exchange to the US or Canadian dollar, then listen to this message. I'd like to recommend Black Lake Conceptual Graphics. Their creative director is a man called Mr. Derek Thompson. I recently reached out to another entrepreneur, Brandon Howell, to ask about getting some business cards made, right? And I was like, I need to have these business cards. I'm currently in Trinidad. I live in either Canada or the USA, it depends on what I'm doing. But long story short, I couldn't get Vistaprint, which is what I typically, tend to use and do the cards myself. So I said I needed some cards. Brandon said not a problem. In less than an hour, he connected me with Derek. In less than 24 hours, Derek had my cards ready. Now, here's why I'm gonna go with Black Lake Conceptual Creations. Derek went above and beyond to help me. I'm not a meetings person, all right? So I messaged him on WhatsApp. He's like, oh, we can meet this. And I was like, no, I need 100 cards. I want a really basic thing, my name, this, that, that. Just tell me a code, tell me the cost I'm paying. I want to pay it and I'm done, right? But in my mind, I was saying, you know what, I need a logo. I didn't like I liked my old logo. It just wasn't representing what the company had evolved to, right? To put it that way. And so I had it in my mind, but I didn't express it to anyone, right? And to my surprise, Derek not only did the business cards, but he added a logo, and he said to me, I believe in what you're doing and I want to support your brand. And Brandon also really bigged you up. So, those two things really went for you. And I was like, my jaw dropped. I was like, wow, thank you, universe. Thank you. Thank you so much, Derek. And that's what moved me to make this video. I tend to make videos for businesses, for entrepreneurs that I really believe in. Either they gave me really, really good service, they went above and beyond, and they were more focused on seeing me grow than breaking my pocket. And for those three reasons, I strongly recommend Derek's company. I'm going to put all of his social media pieces to the bottom of this video, right? You're going to have his website, you're going to have his WhatsApp, you're going to have everything, okay? Just check the link below. And best of luck to your business. All success to you. I'm Tonia, owner of the Robinson Lloyd Resiliency Group, where we give schools insight they need to help their students succeed. We're particularly focused on helping children with anxiety and depression to reduce depression and, help them, especially those struggling with self-harm issues. All right, so we'll see you soon. When I have to recognize, I have at least three other entrepreneurs to recognize for their excellence in service. Thank you.